Everybody, and welcome to Kiddos Corral. Today, it's actually evening time, so I'm getting a little bit of a late start, but that's okay. I am cooking up some Christmas goodies for some company that I'm having. I'm always having company, aren't I? And this is Crock Pot Christmas Crack. It is really, really good. You really like it. And I highly recommend if you need to make something in a large quantity. This is something to make if you're going to have a big crowd. So you're going to get you two 16-ounce jars of dry roasted peanuts, one salted and one unsalted. And of course, you know, the stores are running a little low, so I had to opt for a generic brand, which is fine. So I'm going to pour both of those into the bottom of my crock pot first. So the next thing you are going to pour in is 12 ounces of semi chocolate chips right on top of the peanuts. Now you're going to layer in 12 ounces of milk chocolate chips right on top of those. I went to the store and tried to find peanut butter chips several places, and a lot of people must be making this. So I looked it up to see if we could use anything else, and I found these Reese's baking cups and Reese's Pieces candies, and I'm going to pour both of these bags right on top of the chocolate chips. Now that I have all of that, now if that does not look good, I don't know what does, but that looks amazing. I could just eat that, but we won't. We're gonna wait. So I bought almond bark. I got 2 things of almond bark. I'm gonna break both of these up and put them right on top of the Reese's Pieces and peanut butter cups. Now the original recipe does call for peanut butter chips, so I just want to clarify that I couldn't find them. So this is, they want 2 bags of 10 ounces of peanut butter chips, but this was all I can find. But I looked it up and it says you can use this. We will find out. If not, I'll be spooning this stuff over ice cream because I'm not wasting that. No way. All right, I've got the almond. Okay. I got the almond bark on there, and I'm going to put the lid on. I just stirred it, and after 2 hours, and then I put the lid back on, and then it has to cook another 30 minutes, and then I'm going to use my cookie scoop and scoop this out and put it on wax paper, and then you got to let it set for 1 hour. Well, here they are. The next recipe I'm going to be making is going to be Oreo balls, and so this is going to be the last. It's evening time, so I'll finish this video tomorrow. But this is going to be the last one you'll see for today, and this will be continued tomorrow morning. So basically, I have this meat thing that you break up your hamburger meat with, and I break up all of my Oreos and I crush them. Then I'm going to put them in my mixer with a block of cream cheese that's at room temperature and blend it, and then I'm going to roll all of this into little balls and put it on a cookie sheet and slide it into my refrigerator, and then in the morning they'll be ready to dip in the chocolate. Here's the Oreo balls. They're going to go in the refrigerator, and that way they'll be all set for tomorrow. And I will dip them in some white chocolate and sprinkle them with some Christmas sprinkles, and they will be adorable on a cookie tray. Everybody, how are you guys doing? This is the first time you're seeing me today. It is Monday the 20th, and we've been planning this day for quite a while. Ronnie's aunts were all coming in town to have Christmas with us, and I told them, I said, you know what, when you come in, just be planning to eat here. So I made 2 ginormous crock pots of soup. I made my sausage, potato, and spinach soup, and I made a vegetable beef soup. All was really, really good. They enjoyed all of it. I made a big cookie tray, which you guys are going to see all this, the footage, which I'll just put music to because I could not film. And when you got people coming in and out of your house, and, you know, you don't know if people are comfortable with being on your videos and all that kind of thing, you know what I mean? I gotta rest my arm here. Just, you know, I just don't want to film just to film, and then, you know, I don't like to just put people on my videos and then they not want to be. Anyhow, we had a lovely time with them. They brought us all kinds of goodies. I just tapped into my Oreo balls. I had not, whenever I cook for a bunch of people, I'm never hungry when they're here. And then when they leave, about 30 minutes after they leave, I'm starving to
About
death.
an hour, right?
Yeah.
We had a real good day with them. Thank you, all of my aunts, for coming. You made
they'll see this.
You made my day wonderful, and I want you to know I love you guys and appreciate what you've done.
Yeah, Ronnie
and
had...
Uncle Lloyd, I appreciate that deer meat.
So, Ronnie's uncle sent us a deer roast. They got me a mini crock pot for dips, and it's so funny because I seen this recipe for this spinach dip, and this lady was putting it in one of those mini crock pots, and I thought to myself, I wish I had one of those, and now I do. So now I can make that spinach dip off of TikTok. I just made myself a hot chocolate. I've just been sitting here enjoying my clean house. And if you guys have been watching my vlogs, you guys know that one day I spent so many hours taking down all the wallpaper, and then I painted the walls, and then I had to clean the whole house, and you all saw a video today, which came out late, but it did come out. And it was all about getting things accomplished that I needed to get accomplished. I did all that yesterday, and my glasses are probably crooked because, just a quick side note here, I wear hearing aids because I'm partially deaf, and my newest hearing aid, one of them broke, so I'm actually wearing one of my older ones with one of my newer ones, and one is bigger than the other, so now my glasses, when I wear them, they go like this. They look funny. Anyways, anyhow, I've just been super, super busy. I made out Christmas cards yesterday, finally got those mailed out today, and just now I can just breathe and do whatever I want to do. And I'm gonna be making some hardtack candy this week, and I want to make some peanut butter blossom cookies. And Christmas Eve we are gonna have a ham and mashed potatoes and some good food. So now it's my time to really enjoy the holidays and be with my honey bun over here and just having a good time. If you can hear a rumbling, I think it's a truck outside.
Yeah, it's out front here.
Anyhow, I hope you all are doing great. And I just wanted to quickly come on here. I don't even know how long this video is going to be. But right now, we are having a hot chocolate. I'm having a hot chocolate.
And I'm recuperating from being full.
He's recuperating from being full. And we are going to watch A Christmas Story, because I bought it and I told Ronnie, I said, let's watch it tonight. So we're going to put this in. He's going to help me with the TV remote because I never can figure out how this thing works. And we're going to watch a movie. All right. I am wrapping everything up. I'm just going to leave my crock pots in soak tonight. I am just too tired. I've been up since 5 a.m. and it is, well, I think it's 10 o'clock. I'm not sure. This clock I've gotten here in the kitchen is acting really crazy. But anyways, this is what I got left of my vegetable soup. And so I got a good bit of it. But this is what I got left of the potato, sausage, and spinach soup. This was a huge hit. So I think maybe next year I might go with this and make a couple of specialty salads. I'm going to think about next year for when the family comes, because we had a good time today, and I think I'm going to be creative next year. I think I'm going to put that in my my planner as a little note to look up some big ideas for next year. So anyhow, I just thought I would show you. Yes, I am slightly redneck. I do put my leftovers in containers that I keep. Probably wondering why I do that. Is because I take food to my father-in-law all the time, and he never returns my Tupperware. Even if it comes from the Dollar Tree, and never get it back. So I'm going to put the lid on these and put them in the fridge, and I'm going to go up and get underneath my electric blanket because it's in the 20s, and I am so cold tonight. Well, I managed to make it to the bed and to my heating blanket from my Lord. It's the best thing that Jesus has blessed me with besides my husband over there.
And you know, with it being in the 20s, I think it's going to be in some good use tonight.
Yeah, it's in the 20s tonight, and my toes are frozen. They're thawing now that I'm underneath the blanket. I have it on high.
You're there for about 2 hours, they'll thaw.
I'm telling you. So I'm going to lay here. I'm going to watch probably Gilmore Girls. And probably watch some unnecessary TikTok videos that I seem to get sucked into for whatever reason. I cannot understand it.
And I'm going to watch 72 Dangerous
Animals. He's into...
on Netflix also.
Yeah, he likes anything animals, documentaries, history, that kind of thing. And I'm more into drama and comedy.
I watched one of the best nature documentaries I think I've seen, and it's audio described. It's called Animal. And it's
Animals.
on Netflix right now. Yeah.
Is it on Netflix?
Yeah, I showed you. You know how they were showing them Australian marsupials,
You mean kangaroos?
kangaroos, and koalas,
Mm-hmm.
but they got different episodes. Like one's about dogs and.
I can't watch that stuff because then I want to adopt all the animals of the world, and I can't. I'm like, I want a koala bear. I want a sloth. I want a tiger, baby. So I stay away from dogs, rabbits, bunnies, anything that's even remotely cute. I stay away from them because I want to bring them all home and be their mommy. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching today. I know that majority of this video is kind of with music, but I hope you guys understand because I had family here and I tried to get as many clips of things I thought would interest you. And I had fun cooking and decorating and cleaning and getting ready for company. And we had a very lovely time. Now tomorrow I'll show you my little mini crock pot. And I got a really pretty sign that they brought me and Ronnie. I say me, but I mean us both. They gave me some cloth napkins because they know that I do the table setting videos for you guys, like around Thanksgiving. I thought I might work on a tablescape for Christmas. So we'll see what I come up with. And I will be seeing you all tomorrow. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I love to have you part of Kiddos Corral. And remember, Christmas is coming soon, guys. So got to be really on our best behavior because I know Santa's watching so we can get something good. Right, hon?
That's right.
So we'll talk to you all again soon. God bless, guys.
Hey, Google. Set volume to 4.